Rowserworld.
Hello, my friend, and welcome to another segment of Drawing with the Rouser. And today, I'm going to be teaching you how to draw the beautiful young lady you see right here. Thank you so much, Drew, for allowing me to create this memory for you. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'll try to draw at a pace that's acceptable so that you'll be able to understand what I'm doing. All right, so the first thing that we want to do here is I'll start with my basic face shape. Okay, so we'll go like this here. Okay. Okay. Put the neck to the side here because the most important thing is obviously going to be the face here. And we can put a little bit of her t-shirt here if you wish. Okay. Now, once we do that, I usually at that point draw some of the ear shape in. So I might draw some little earrings over here like that. Okay. And then I'll go ahead and I'll start drawing in my top shape. Like so. Okay, so we got a nice shape there for her face, alright? Now, let's go ahead and draw her hair shape. So what I'll do here is I'll just kind of look at it overall and say, okay, this shape up here is kind of flat. So I want a flat shape here. Okay, and then you can see it kind of comes out, comes down, it comes out, comes down, and then comes out. Okay, and then over here the same thing. It kind of takes a downward shape right here, and then it kind of feathers out at the bottom of the hair. And her hair just kind of fades off into the picture. So, all right, and then we'll come over here, and we'll make another shape within that shape. Okay, and another shape within our shape over here. Okay, and that looks good. Alright, and now we're going to just add a little bit of hairline here. And I'm going to start drawing her facial features. So I will do something like this here. 1, 2. Okay. And then I would add her nose shape here. So I might do something like this here. Okay, and then I'll draw the rest of the nose like that. Okay, so we got a nice little round nose. Okay, and then we're going to put our mouth shape here. Keep it real simple. Okay. Okay, let's add some teeth in here. So I'll put her front teeth here. And I'll make some little teeth because she has really little teeth in there. And on the end here, we'll just color it in kind of dark. Alright, looks good. Alright, now let's go ahead and put the eyeglasses here. So I'll use this big marker here. Okay. Okay. And we'll bring that shape on up into the mouth shape. Bring it on around. I kind of covered up that little smirk there, so I'm going to have to put another line there. Okay. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and put our eye shape. So we'll do something like this. Tree leaf shape, remember? Okay, you watch my tree leaf shape video. Let's go ahead and just curve it off the end, give her some nice little eyelashes there. Okay, then we'll go ahead and color in the top part. And then we'll make a little shape like so. Okay, and then we'll add a little lighting in there, and then we'll add her little eyes in there like that. Okay, looks good. Alright, and now let's just add some little eyelashes. Make them nice and long. The ladies like long eyelashes. Okay, and then we'll add our shape on the bottom, our lashes down here. Okay, and let's put a clef in her chin, her little mole. Okay, and though she has a few little wrinkles up here, I don't like to put those, but I guess we can. I'm not going to even do it. I'm just not going to do it. I can't bring myself to it. Now let's just go ahead and I want to fan the hair out just a little bit more. Just give it a little bit of body. So let's do like this with a real light line here. See how I just kind of fluff the hair up a little bit. So I'm just going to fluff it up. Fluff it. Okay. All right, cool. So now we got pretty much the drawing part of it down. So let's go ahead and do our shadows. So I'll start here with the eyes. Okay, and a shadow from the brow shape running down to the nose. Okay, awesome. And then we'll go down here, put a little bit of shadow under the eyes, and make it like a you see how the way my marker went looks like it went like that. That's what I want you to do right there. Okay, let's go ahead and put some little lipstick there. Not too much, but just just darken the lips, and I like to leave a little shadow in there, a little lighting. See how I left a little bit of lighting in there? Not too much. Not too much. Okay. Let's go ahead and make her chin stand out, and then right underneath the neck shape, we'll do something here. Okay. And I might do a little shadow here on the side of the face here. Alright, so that looks great. That looks great. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and just shadow on the eyebrows, and this is all again with the gray marker. Okay, and since she has very light hair, I can use this gray to kind of color all these little spots in over here. Okay, see here? Okay, not too much. Remember, this is her cartoon, right? Okay, let's go ahead and put a little bit right here in this little crevice right here. And we can just color this in too, since that would be naturally logical. Okay, and then we're just gonna come over here. If you don't have a gray marker for this, you can use a gray crayon. Gray crayons work really good too. Okay. So, it looks like we're just about done. So the last part that we'll do, we'll take a black crayon, okay? And make sure you sharpen your crayon. And then what I'll do here is right in these little areas here. Watch the shape that I make. Don't worry about how I'm moving the crayon. Watch the shape. We'll add a little bit of dark right here. You see that little shape? If you drew it with me, you should have a little line in between the face and the hair shape. So you see how it made the hair shape come out a little bit more to us. And then we can even use it to make little lines right where we made. Just make little lines, straight lines, little hair direction lines, but don't get too busy with the hair direction thing. Just a few lines, okay? And of course we want to shadow on our eyebrows, so we can use these to put a little bit more dark on the eyebrows. But I really don't want anything to compete with my eyeglasses, so that's the reason I did it that way. Alright, and then underneath the chin here, you can press a little bit hard, right? And I'll make a straight line right here. Okay, so you see how it gives a nice separation in between the chin and the face shape? That's awesome. Okay, So pretty much, I think I'm done here. This wasn't hard at all, especially because, well, she's a good-looking person. It's easy to draw good-looking people. Alright. So I want to thank you, my friend, for allowing me to help create this little memory for you, for your, I'm not sure what her relationship is to you, but this cool person that's in your life. And let's just draw a little line here and here. I'll be posting more videos and tutorials soon. Don't forget to sign your work, so I'll sign mine here. And I'm glad that I could be of service to you today, my friend. You have a blessed and awesome day. And the Rouser will be seeing you next time. Oh, one more thing. Sorry about that. I gotta make the teeth just a little smaller there. There we go. You see that? I need to do that. Alright, have a good one.
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these two super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always guys, I wish you happy cartooning.